Hi, I'm Tom Eliason here at Vision Engineering. Today we have the Swift Pro Duo measurement microscope. The Swift Pro Duo microscope is essentially two systems in one, an optical and a digital system, which means it can measure video edge, or more challenging edges, we can use the crosshair system. So with this part here, I can simply put my part into the field of view. It's going to do a pattern find and automatically bring up the part program for us. And then it will run. Now it will guide us to the edges that it can find. It will automatically take the edges for us and guide us to the next feature we need to measure. Right now it's doing a video edge. It will automatically adjust the lighting for us once we program it. So now the next feature is a little more challenging for the video edge to take. So now we can use the optics of our dynoscopic head, which have a superior resolution in it, for us to capture the edge. I simply just need to position a crosshair on the position that I wanted to take a point. And again, it will automatically take the point for us. And our part routine is complete. And it will give us our pass, fail, all our tolerances, and also a part view. The Swift Pro Duo's magnification range is 10 to 100x. It is available with this 8x4 stage, comes with top and bottom lighting. The top light is a quadrant lighting, which allows you to look into various angles or more challenging parts to illuminate. It has an optional Z-axis encoder. It is also available, as this system is with digital and optical, it is also available just as a digital video system or as a toolmakers microscope with a digital readout box. The strength of the Swift Pro Duo system is its ability to measure many different types of materials accurately and quickly, utilizing the video edge or using the crosshair system.